I said, empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
It's not an easy skill to learn. I've been practicing it for many
I'ma
years.
introduce myself. My name is Cortez. Your boy C-O-R-T-E-S. I'm a young kid writing lyrics over beats, scribbling these words to tell what's beneath. At the age of 9, writing my first rhyme, listening to myself and speaking from my mind. Didn't think much of it, just spoke to be free. Kid getting in trouble, that's supposed to be me. But you had me thinking with my paper and pen, drawing these verses with thoughts in my head. Elementary, junior high, I would spit flows, trying to make my friends laugh, I took it as a joke. I was that kid spitting bars in my classes. I spoke about anything I saw or that passes. It was just a hobby and nothing much. Never saw a future of anything such. This ain't no easy route. You claim you spit, what you talking about? You say you're the best, but you just started. You say you're on top, don't act so retarded. You say you're the best, but you just started. You say you're on top, don't act so retarded. Yeah, next try, next try. Hey, like they say.